Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your Samsung Galaxy A26 is real or fake. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down. Now as you can see, these are the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. Now once you do that, now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search IMEI check. Now just open this website on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down. Now as you can see, it is asking you to enter the IMEI number of your smartphone. Now to do that, just go back to the settings app. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number of your smartphone. Now from here, just go back and paste the copied IMEI number over here and tap on check IMEI. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, these are the specifications of your smartphone. Now from here, just make sure that the specifications which are given on the screen are the same as your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Samsung Galaxy A26 is real or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.